Why India is not developed? India is a developing country. Do you know? Because of this superstition, sir. Because of this superstition, these people, and they are believing and they are also favoring with them. And okay, let me clear that there is one crow at the morning. Sir, if the crow is crowing at the morning, then then our mama will come. Our Mausaji will come.
Our Mausa will come.
Sir, yes. Do you believe?
Of course.
Sir, one crow crowd at the evening, at the morning, and I was waiting my Mausaji, but Mausaji did not come, sir. How can I believe, sir?
I'm not saying I'm superstitious. I am saying that believe what your ancestors have said. You follow what your ancestors has said. It is said that you have not seen God. Why you believe in God? Because your mother, your parents, your grandparents, they actually worship God. You see that. You actually following that. So you have a belief in that.
Astrologer creating fear. Take mobile, this number of mobile, you will become rich. Huh? How can I become rich? By this one mobile number, digit number, my karma decide my all the things.
It is completely a scripted video, sir, I will tell you. And the child who is going to coming and saying that he is saying that I will get paid to say this.
I have got paid.
Not paid to say this.
My goodness, they are paid to say. I'm so honored and privileged to see you all and all. The way you all have done practice and rehearsed, it was really beautiful. Having discussed with everyone, I found that both teams are nothing short of anybody. So I really kudos you and congratulate you and wish you best of luck and break a leg, everybody. So here in today's presentational debate, it's gonna be for the first time, this presentational debate. You are going to be very professional and kind of leader here today on the stage. This team only has to share opinions, but this team doesn't have to share opinion. They will be rejecting you. They will be rejecting you. I mean, you have to share complete opinions. This superstition is not logical because of this reason. But they will be rejecting you points. No, it has a logic. So you will say illogical things. They will be presenting logics behind every superstition. But yes, if they think some logical things in superstition as well, they can share as well. But most probably, you will be sharing your opinions on the topic, guys. Yes. So, who is ready to come first from this team? My goodness, Shalu is ready first. So, let's invite Miss Shalu, everybody. Big round of applause. Hey, Shalu.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any aloo?
Right
for
now, I don't
superstition
have.
thing, of course.
No, sir.
Do you worship or not? Yeah, I do.
I do.
You do?
Yes, sir.
You worship, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So here you are going to represent your views and you're going to tell people in presentational debates that superstition is actually not good.
Yes, sir.
Can you share your opinions so that one person can come here and reject your points?
Okay,
Please.
sir. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
I'm going to share my opinion. And that is, the superstitious thing is not good. For what? Think about those people. Astrologer said yesterday.
Astrologers
said yesterday, you will be rich. You will be rich. Okay.
You will be rich.
And he is poor.
Excuse me. Did you
He was
understand
poor,
that?
sir. Every time you can say and you can see, astrologer always about to, like what? What, sir? He used to say, you will be rich, you will be okay in your life, you will be everything, you will be like get
everything.
it. You have everything, you will be right, you will be have. But you can see what is the reality of astrologer. Even they don't have anything.
Of course.
Okay, think about those people, they don't have hand. An astrologer looking what? Looking hands and looking her future. What is this? No, sir, it's not like that. And I want to, sir,
Continue.
let me complete. Okay,
Continue, please.
I want to say something. Think think about those patients. Okay, they have emergency. They are going in like hospital, and some like one cat is coming and cross the road.
Oh my God!
And what is this? The ambulance like
Will
stopped.
Arey Dadi Amma is in the ambulance.
Yes, sir.
And the ambulance has stopped.
Yes, sir. And as well as I want to say something. Think about those Baba. Okay. Some people have disease, they don't have leg, they have something. Okay. And they are saying, take this churan, you will be okay. Without treatment. What is this? Think about those Baba, they are like looting also.
Hey, churan! Have you done?
Yes, sir.
I believe that Mr. Upendra can reject your all points. Please listen to me. Why are you going there? You have to persuade the audience. Yesterday,
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Upen Singh, and today I am gonna put my opinion over the topic of superstition really exists. The so-called Salu who is in the favor of that superstition is not exist on this planet. And she was talking about the astrologers. Now I would like to remind him that there is one famous AstroTalk, and in that AstroTalk there are so many astrologers. They are working there and they are charging per minute and per second, and they are getting so much money. For her kind information, I would like to tell her that they are damn rich. That they are rich, and people are waiting for them. That IPs, that my calls answer they give, and they are in the queue. And she is talking about the roadside Babas. They do not have education. They do not have proper education to relate to that topic. Astrologers can predict what you cannot think today. They will predict your future, and it is real and it is true. That's why people are. Sir,
let me complete.
And
I will tell you.
One thing I also would like to tell to all of you: these all guys are gonna purchase in future cars, motorbikes, and they will put the green chili and the lemon under the tire.
Sir, what is this? We are not doing, sir. We are not doing. Sir, we are not doing.
You guys can't speak.
Even all are the celebrities, hero and heroines. They all are purchasing cars. YouTubers, they are purchasing their Lamborghini and they are putting the lemons.
Sir, what is the need of?
What do you think? They do not believe. They believe superstition, and superstition really exists on this planet. How can you say that? Tell me, man.
What is the need?
No, you do not have
what
proper
is the need?
knowledge,
Please tell me. What is the need of lemon and like chili?
Persuade audience. Yes. You cannot debate here, right? Yes.
I want to say something. What is the need?
Ladies and gentlemen, she doesn't
something.
have knowledge proper related to superstition.
Oh
That's why she is talking
What they're
about
saying?
that. She is beating around the bush. She do not have proper knowledge. She doesn't have proper knowledge. Look at her face. She really doesn't have proper knowledge. That's why she is getting blank. She
Why
is
are you doing
speechless.
like that? It is a personal target.
Okay, sir.
You are not persuading the audience.
No, sir.
Please persuade the
Okay,
audience.
and she was talking about that a person who do not have,
Who doesn't have
hand.
Yes.
How astrologer can predict about their faces?
Yes.
There are so many belief they can see, they can read your forehead and they can predict about themselves. This is the answer for those person who are handicapped and a person who do not have hand. Yes, sir.
That's it, sir.
Sir.
Do you have to say anything?
Sir, there is no need to. It's only like kind of like what? It's kind of. It's unbelievable, sir.
Thank you very much. You both have to sit down. Very nice. What I personally believe, the way Shalu spoke, shared opinion, and he actually couldn't answer that match. He was going personally. She doesn't have knowledge, this and that. Why are you targeting personally? You have to persuade the audience. Yesterday, I made you write one definition of presentational debate. What was that? Do you remember that? Yes, sir. What was that? Tell me. Sorry? Well-structured arguments to persuade the audience. So have that. You do not have to do anything. You simply can say that my euphemistic speaker said this point, but my point is this. If I think you spoke well, I will give you plus. I will appreciate you more. All right? So the next person, everybody, I want to invite from that side, please come to the stage and persuade the audience, tell that superstition is not good in our country. Who wants to? Mr. Sahil, please come to the stage. Everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I have been honored by Cap Sir to talk about the superstitious thing, about what are the bad things about superstitions. So we believe superstitious things just because we don't have any answer.
Oh, my goodness, yes.
Whenever we
Yes.
see any problem in a society and when we don't have any reason behind it, we just follow blindly. Let's say, if you have a fear to come here, someone has fear to come here, and he's saying that I don't have courage to come here. then he will promote, hey, going to the stage is something harmful. We should not go there. If someone has overcome the problem and he is going to the society and he's saying, hey, going to the stage is just a normal thing. It is with the same logic, it happens in society.
Means we have made so-called a myth.
Yes.
Very nice. An illusion.
Yes.
Very nice.
Basically, the main problem is that whenever we don't find the solution of a problem, then we still believe blindly. That's what I think.
Very nice. बहुत अच्छा. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Right. Like, as I have told you yesterday, if a cat passes your road and you are in a hurry, it is important. It is like life-changing, or it is like a death. Right? Will you stop there? If you have a question, if you have an exam which is very important, if somebody sneezes, then how will you stop there?
No, we will not stop. Of course, we will not
stop. But there are some beliefs like dahi chini. We eat, but it has logical reason, digestion purpose, right?
So this is also superstition, right?
No, this is not a superstition.
Why not?
We have to accept whatever we come.
When we go for the first time for a job, our mother gives sugar and dahi. Of course.
It has some logical.
So you're accepting that superstition is good thing.
No, it's not a superstition.
Why? Of course.
Differentiating.
Yes.
I'm just differentiating whether if it has any logical reason, it is not a superstition.
Ma'am, you should say that.
Well, good morning, everybody. My dear friend has just said that if you are having no logic, no concept, then you name that particular thing or concept as superstition. But I said that every superstition is having a story, and every story has a logic. And every story has a definite points which comes from wisdom. Look, when you say that it has no logic and I'm saying that superstition, you are naming that thing as superstition, I'm naming that thing as logic, belief.
Yes, and it is.
And it is. You said that having dahi chini has a logic, and I'm saying that you are saying that it's not superstition, but I'm also saying that it's superstition and it's a logic, a very good logic, because it actually maintains what you said, digestion. Yeah, if you are going for a good work, and if and it's a certain good logic that if you are having dahi chini, it will calm your stomach and mind also. And then the second thing, what my dear friend has said that. So that is, yeah, but I'm naming that as logic. Yeah. So everything has a scientific reason. I am giving you the answer. I am giving you each and every answer of your questions. He said that cats are ill omen. They are not so auspicious, and if the cat passes through the road, you certainly stop the car. My dear, cats are auspicious and as well as unauspicious for different cultures. For Greek, for Japan, they are quite auspicious. In Egypt, they are worshipped. But here in India, in Pakistan, and truly in Asia, yeah, I'm giving you the logic, because we are not worshipping cats. We actually says that our ancestor says that they are witches. And in ancient times, witches like Chudal and all those that you can name that Chudal. I'm saying that the women who actually practicing tantra and mantra, they actually uses cat for their performance. They are using that, and they converted themselves and do the things through the cats. And that's why we believe that if we find somewhere cat, there must be a bad energy. You can believe that on this earth, there are two types of energy, the positive energy and the negative energy. We believe that somewhere we find cat. Here in India, we find that, okay, if the cat is there, her master must be there. And that is an ill omen for us. And to avoid that, we actually hold for few seconds at that place, not for a lifetime. If we saw cat passing by, we certainly stop. Doesn't mean that we stuck on that place. Stop for a while, then we went.
Tell me the logic of cutting nail, not cutting nail in a night?
Yeah, because in ancient times, look, I have already told that there also that in ancient time there were no lights. ठीक है ना? There were no lights, and we are not having specific nail cutter at that time. We use scissors, we use blades, we use actually knives. Yeah, and at that time, if someone
But ma'am, now
do we have logic?
Yeah, I'm having logic behind that. Now what happens, every specific thing have a specific time. ठीक है, morning is for all these things. You don't go to poop in the afternoon, in the night. It's in the morning. Cleaning yourself, your body should be a work of the morning.
What if I don't have time?
To do that.
That is why I'm telling you, no? It has no logic. Guys, it has no logic.
people, ladies and gentlemen.
Look,
We can't talk to you guys. We only have to persuade you.
Look, I am giving my opinion. What's behind that? The logic behind that. All these things are related to the morning chaos, and you should not perform all these things in the night.
Everything has its own time. She wants to say that.
Yeah.
Cutting nails is not the work of night. So don't do that.
Yeah.
So indirectly,
Night is for enjoy. Night is to listen music. Night is to have dinner.
the person who works all the day, who gets time in the night,
You wake up in the morning,
I
or you.
have time to cut the nail in the morning. I have time. Even I cut my nail. Like everyone says that looking in the mirror, broken mirror, it makes you unlucky. Like somebody is living in India, he's saying the same thing, but somebody is the same person looking in the same mirror in America. It is not.
Because they don't know this. Because they don't know this. Look, it's a very simple logic, sir. In ancient time, in today also, mirror is actually showing your reflection. You want to present yourself confident. You want to present yourself admirable. You want to present yourself up to date. And when you saw yourself in a broken mirror, it actually make you somewhere unconfident, somewhere loser, somewhere type of ki you are not having guts. So it's said that please don't look at
balances the vibes.
Yeah, it balances the vibes. That's it. That's my opinion.
Thank you so much. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you very much for being the part.
In my opinion, there's a logic behind it, there's a science behind it. What we believe, during eclipse, there's a high UV rays, ultraviolet rays passing through the earth, and that time we at that time
May I say something?
No, don't say.
May I say something first of all?
at that time we ignore to eat, we ignore to go outside, we ignore to have anything in night. So this is a reason.
Sir, I would like to say,
Yes.
science says eclipse only a shadow. It doesn't mean it is a bad luck. Science says.
No, sir. It.
You
as I
are.
said, as I said.
Okay. You are educated person, sir.
Dear audience, as I said that
First, you should have to have knowledge about it.
during eclipse, UV rays passing through the earth, and this is a bad rays.
Of course.
There's a negative rays. It
No.
can affect your body.
Of course.
I am talking about eating inside the home.
It can dismaintain your digestion. That's why we
What maintain?
Nothing. Sit down.
What?
Please.
No,
Thank you so
you are
much.
not getting. You are
No,
not
no,
getting,
you're not getting the point
you are
actually,
not
right?
Why,
So say
sir?
then.
I would like to say it doesn't make any sense, sir.
It's a science behind it. It is a science. It is a science. It is a science.
But science says it is only shadow.
It is not shadow.
But science says it is only shadow.
I think
Okay.
you should-
You
you
can
should
search.
ask one
You can
question.
search on the Google.
You should ask another.
You are just making cock and bull story.
Look at him.
Just
Look
You are just making one
I
cock
give-
and bull story.
I gave the answer.
You are educated person.
I gave the answer properly.
Why are you following?
You should ask
Why are you following blindly? Why are you following blindly?
Yes.
Who scientist?
Arey, give me.
Scientists.
Please have a seat. So, Mr. Akil, do you have any more Akil? Yes, sir. You have wakil? Yes, do you have wakil or not?
Yes, sir. I have.
Please show your akil.
Hello, everyone. Today, the topic is about superstition. So, in today's generation, 21st century is going on, and if we're going to believe in the superstition thing, is not for the future, and if we talk about the superstition things, that it makes the business, and is all are the earning by this, and people are going to believe this is a very bad thing, and dip her hand in a warm oil, and the mother is crying and stopping him, but is not ready to do it. And when he warm hand, the hand was completely burned out. When it came to the hospital, first we will beat the father of the child, and then we will case on that, and the mother is crying that he is not going to. In today's time, this is the business of the man. Means it is jaundice. Jaundice is a case of pilia. As a jaundice can be treated as well. Yes, and it a liver. As bilirubin is increases, it can be treated by the medicines also. It has a highly chance of. And you are going towards the dhongi babas.
My goodness. But wait. I think you're disrespecting babas here.
No, sir. I am not disrespecting, sir.
You are doing that.
No, sir.
Acha, you are against dhongi babas.
Yes, sir.
Means babas are good.
Sir, babas, some babas are good. 90% babas are dhongi, sir.
My goodness. My goodness.
There is a Maulana Sahab who is pointing the gun, tush, and all the guy.
Yeah.
A person is born to be the speakless. How can you by saying some word and you can increase, you can talk him? It is completely a scripted video, sir. I will tell you. And the child who is going to coming and saying that he is saying that I will get paid to say this.
I have got paid.
Paid to say this.
My goodness, they are paid to say. They are speechless, of course.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Superstition is so dangerous.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Anybody wants to come on the stage and say something?
Sir, lots of the time in a persona of the anything, the people do lots of the bad thing. It's not a fault of the every community. It's not a fault of the every community. Exactly. The single person who told them to put your hand in a boiled oil, it's not a problem of it's not a mistake of the all over the community, Baba's community. So yes. Okay, it's a single person who maybe there is some rival. Maybe it has a. Let me complete, sir. Please let me complete. Maybe it has some rivalry from that person. Yes. Of course, in a jaundice, lots of the people told, don't do this, don't do that. The bhabhuti is also given. The bhabhuti is also in I was also suffered from a jaundice. Mm-hmm. My uncle told me, take this bhabhuti, and definitely you will be well. And definitely I got well. How it is possible? In your concept, it is a bhabhuti. In my concept, in my scientific concept, it is a powder of jadi booties. Of course, it's a powder of the jadi booties, man. Whenever you practicing a yagya, we provide them jadi booties, gola, nariyal, sadabri. Lots of the things, lots of the gravities, lots of the remedies. Mm-hmm. But in a persona of this community, but the persona of this face, but the persona of this well-being, some people is coming and trying to malevolence, creating a malevolence. So it's not a mistake, or it's not a problem of a single person.
Acceptable.
Of course, it's not acceptable.
He
it's your
wants
fault.
to say, everybody, dear ladies and gentlemen, he wants to say that there are some babas. They are doing kind of crime.
Of course.
And we should not accept it. Don't name it is a superstition.
Of course.
Crime has its own name. You cannot say it's a belief of anybody. If someone is going to murder me and kill me, it doesn't mean that it is his superstition, it is a belief. He has done a crime. Understood or not?
Sir, I just want to say, before the incident was happened, too many people are gone there. And it promotes too much, and at the level he was given to the level of God at that time.
That was a business. That was his business. It's a mentality. But what about the Ramdev? What about the Ramdev? But what about the Ramdev? What about the Ramdev? Of course. But what about the Ramdev? Ramdev. I think you all know about the Ramdev, who Patanjali, owner of the Patanjali, who promoting to the even the brand ambassador of the Patanjali, who is promoting to the Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra. Why? This is also superstition. You can say this, but in a scientifically. Of course.
Will you call it superstition? No, na. Likewise.
Of course, likewise. The single person says, na, ki put your, while suffering from a jaundice, put your hand in a black boiled oil, na, sir. But follow the super personalities. Who is not saying this? So this is a single person, for not all over the.
Okay, you don't know. Thank you so much.
So last time, my father's friend, who is also a Muslim, Miyaji, I called him uncle, Miyaji, who told me, beta, whenever you will ill from a very dangerous problem, very dangerous disease, just try to practice a puja part in his language, namaz ada karo. So lots of the people say this is a superstition. No, it's give you faith, it's give you power to fight against that illness, to fight against. Of course, medicine also works. Why the medicine, sir? Why the medicine? Last time, sir, I have a single example. Last time, I saw the example, a person who is climbing from the 1000 meter top of the mountain, and the another person came. How courageous you have! How is it possible? Then they told that person, man, actually, I am suffering from last stage of the cancer. Sorry, you are suffering from the last stage of the cancer? And you're climbing from this 1000 meter of the mountain. Yeah, of course, I am last stage of the cancer since 2 years ago. And doctor told me, you can't alive 2 days, more than 2 days. And I am living since I have been living for 2 years. How it is possible? Because of the courage, because of the belief. This is my last day, this is my last day, this is my last day. And I have completed my 2 years. In your language, in your mindset, it may be a superstition, but in my language, superstition is a belief that can leave you along, that can provide you every type of the strength that can help you.
Very nice.
Good morning, everyone. I am not supporting superstition. Firstly, I want to clarify that superstition, belief and blind belief, both are different. Superstition is a blind belief. I am believing myself, I will be something in future. But deep blind belief, what blind belief? Someone saying this is right. How can I accept this is right? This is the one answer of all the question. Whatever you have in mind, the one line is enough for you. Second, I accept that our constitution forefather when they were start to making the constitution. In the DPSP, they clearly mentioned it that Article 51 that of DPSP encouraged state to promote scientific research development in the country. In fact, they want to develop a scientific nature of the citizen. Secondly, in DPSP 51 a common H, fundamental duty directs citizen to develop scientific temper, humanism, spirit of inquiry. This word is meaningful. Spirit of inquiry. You take anything by logically. It means state and citizen. They make sure that in future, citizen of India, state and citizen together aim to make India a progressive, rational society, free of superstition and ignorance. It is mentioned in the Constitution. And firstly, you are believing.
What's wrong in it?
What is wrong in it? I'm just complete. Okay. Again, see, this is the scientific reason ki people going on the hills and become better and all that. It means you are accepting my point. I am saying that please everything accept on the basis of rationality, not on the basis of deep belief, not the basis of blind belief. That's my point. What is superstition? Religious practice. It is religious. What is superstition and religious practice? Both are different. Both are different. Religious practice make people feel confident and have faith in God in a positive energy. But superstition is what? It is belief in a supernatural or luck that is not based on science and logical basis. Second, whatever you have belief and no, you don't have belief. You are the blind belief. You have blind belief. Okay. The rituals mean whatever the ritual have been in future and have been right now. So whatever the rituals meant, वो बना गया था, of well-being of the society, and slowly it turn into the luck and the blind belief. Slowly people make that. Slowly it turn in the deep belief. Okay. And if you want to make people to go in the right direction, why you are creating fear in the people? Fear in the people. Give the right direction. Accept the reality. Accept reality. You are not will do in the future. Why am them giving the false belief, giving the false faith? You will do something. Make strong people. Make them most strong and confident. Whatever happen in your future, you will face. No one going to help you. It means you are making a society good. You are making a society very powerful society, and the mental stability of the citizen is like that. They can do anything. If you don't have fear, you can do anything. And Babas and any astrologer creating fear. Take mobile, this number of mobile, you will become rich. Huh? How can I become rich? By this one mobile number, digit number, my karma decide my all the things.
Dear ma'am mentioned that the astrologer give you lots of the remedies. It's okay. Give them actual reality, na? Give them actual reality, you mentioned. Yeah. But ma'am, lots of the people who has not a courage, who has a entirely coward. So he has not a courage, he has not capability to accept this unfairness. Lots of the time that people committed a suicide, then what about that people, sir? Lots of the time, oh, भाई मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं इस लायक हूँ ही नहीं, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मेरी जिंदगी मेरा जीना ही बेकार है. This mentality, the astrologers give you remedy, gives you hope, gives you support. It gives you support. Take this Ratna, take this number. On the basis of this, you can do. So your mind will go on this and that. Your mind will go on this nug, this Ratna, this is stone, and you got a belief. Again, I am saying this belief. This is a hope. On basis of this, you can war 1,000 of the war. You can win the 1,000 of the war. This is a belief. This is if in your mindset it is a superstition. In my mindset is a belief and hope.
In addition to it, I just
definition and belief definition is not decided, but on the basis of your thought.
Tell people.
Your thoughts, sir.
Say that, man.
Ma'am, I just want to justify that if a sensitive person is able to control himself to commit suicide, what is wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
We are making a stronger generation, okay? Of course. Stronger is strong. Strong is strong. Strong is always strong. But this is my responsibility. Ma'am, this is my responsibility to make them strong. Strong is already strong. CMS always say na, CMS city, ma'am, CMS always say, ma'am, CMS, the lots of the biggest school, we make stopper. How can you say this? We make stopper, ma'am. How can you say this? The astrologers make weak student too large.
We should create a child like a strong. Why not? I'm creating the science.
Of course not, ma'am. Of course not, ma'am. Of course not. Because of the support. Because of the some.
Why? No,
why not, ma'am?
How can I stop? China is not following astrology. And now the China is more developed than us. And we are following the Andhviswas. We are giving the blind belief. Numerology.
They are following something. They are not explaining.
Some extent, ma'am. Some extent.
Every extent.
Making buildings. Development.
The very first thing I want to say after listening to the fabulous speech from my friend that between superstition and belief is superstition is a false belief. You want to say that you want to actually experience everything and then you come to the point and decide that whether it is right or wrong. Yes or no?
in my side, everything, whichever in my side, it is right, and and nothing happened before me and before my eye, I will not going to accept. I am a scientific temper.
What are the lessons? What are the lessons?
Look, believing God is religious matter. No, you believe in it?
I'm saying that you are saying that there is a hell lot of difference between belief and a false belief. You want to say that you want to experience each and every individual have to experience each and everything by his or her side, and after experience that, he actually come to the conclusion or she actually come to the conclusion whether we should do it or not. Exactly. Don't you think that? Don't you think that the lifespan of a person is very short for that to actually experiencing each and everything by his own and then actually giving reaction to that?
It means these things, uncertainty of life give you right to make a superstition?
I'm not saying I'm superstitious. I'm saying that believe what your ancestors have said. You follow what your ancestors has said. It is said that it is follow your ancestors. What you have not seen God. Why you believe in God? Because your mother, your parents, your grandparents, they actually worship God. You see that. You actually following that. So you have a belief in that.
Clarified that believing in God and superstition both are different.
Yes. I am giving you an example. Believing in God and superstition is different. You are naming that superstition. I am naming that belief. The way you believe God, the same way you have to believe certain customs, certain sayings, certain statements which were given by your ancestors, because they are also full of wisdom. They have also experienced something, and through that experiences, they have given us something that, okay, don't do these things, do these things, this is good for you, this is good, not so good for you. And you are saying that, no, I myself want to experience each and everything, and my karma should stop that.
You don't want to follow the list.
I'm saying that at some extent we experience things, we have our certain logic, but after that we have to believe what's going on, what was happened in the past. We take lesson from that and then want to follow like that. You said.
Listen to her now, please.
Yeah. It doesn't mean whatever the judgment passed by our forefather is right. They were wrong.
Can you please give me certain examples where you said that?
Our forefather passes a judgment, passed a judgment that never eat joint banana in pregnancy. Why not? I am hungry, I will eat.
Look.
If you eat, how can it possible? If I eat joint banana, I will get 2 babies. How can it possible? What about my egg evolution?
No, I haven't heard this.
It is a biological process. The cell divide in 2 and create 2 womb in the ovary, and then it is possible to 2 babies, and one person is going to decide my DNA manufacturing.
I don't know anything about banana, but I know about the coconut flour. And I'm giving you the logic. Yeah.
My forefather said us to that you eat coconut, you will get fair color baby.
Yeah, that's good.
My mother was so poor. That time.
Ma'am, you have to.
Stomach. My mother was not even to afford food, and I am fair. Where did
Can I answer that? Can I please answer that? The very first question. नारियल कहाँ था? Look, अगर ऐसा होता, look. If that happened, all people from Kerala become fair. Look.
My mother couldn't afford Nariyal.
And Nariyal is there in Kerala. No one is fair. In Kerala. Look. Look. Let me give you a fair reason behind that. It is said that the coconut water, not coconut, the coconut water actually nourish you so good that
So much minerals and potassium.
that will actually enhance your beauty.
Women beauty, not baby beauty.
No, the baby beauty also, the skin becomes softer if you started consuming coconut water. The coconut is very good for the pregnant lady because it actually balances your BP, the BP, and of course all.
We have so many people. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Sir, thank you for inviting me on this stage. Sir, hello ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
Good morning all of you. So guys, the topic is superstition existing reliable or not? Do you believe this is a truth?
Yes.
Sir, do you know what is the truth? Means सच इतिहास सच और कुछ नहीं 100 बार दोहराया हुआ झूठ है सच और कुछ नहीं सर सच और कुछ नहीं 100 बार दोहराया हुआ झूठ है and do you are you believing and do you believing in the that false story and pseudo story sir pseudo sir because our forefather our ancient father they are believing on that false story and we are also also believing because you know that America, Japan and other countries who are developed they are believing on the superpower and we are the common mind of people we are believing on the superstition. Sir, what is going on sir? Sir, they are believing on the superpower and we are the Indian people we are believing at the superstition. So this is a main reason why India is not developed. Why India is not developed? India is a developing country. Do you know? Because of this superstition, sir. Because of this superstition. And that is why this is a big hand. This is a main reason the India is not developed, sir. And sir, there are so many false stories created by our forefathers and some of these people and they are believing and they are also favoring with them. And okay, let me clear that. Okay, sir. When we were at childhood, what is going on? Sir, there is one crow. There is one crow at the morning. Sir, if the crow is crowing at the morning, then then our mama will come. Our Mausa will come. Sir, yes. Do you believe?
Of course.
No. Sir, one crow crowd at the evening, at the morning, and I was waiting my Mausaji, but Mausaji did not come, sir. How can I believe, sir? Tell people. Sir, I was waiting of the sweets of the Mausaji, but I was, sir, hungry whole day, sir, because of the Mausaji, and Mausaji did not come. You are the people of the India, and you have a responsibility being a human being, being a Indian. You have no your self.
You are believing in science, but we have Vedas, 4 Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Sam Veda. One Veda is prescribed each and everything, the Tantra, Mantra, Jadoo, Tona, each and everything. And now before the starting of any ritual, our Prime Minister, when they do
you believe in false story? Do you believe in Tantra Mantra?
This is not a false story, this is a true story.
You
not believe in our culture?
There are so many people, sir, they are doing Tantra Mantra. If I'm suffering of any type of the disease like kidney and different type of the heart disease, if I'm going any type of the group D, Tantra Mantra, the Sokha and the Sokhi, and sir, they are only making money of the Tantra Mantra, and they are saying you have to do this and that task, and we are the people are doing this, and because we stuck on that of the Sokha Sokhi, and if problem is someone else, and we are doing someone this, sir, what is going on?
Sir, there are so many things which is even America is following. Their marble, there is one industry of marble. In that they are producing so many kind of movies. In that movies they are showing all the rituals, jadoo and tonas. Because of that belief system, even what medical cannot treat, even what scientists cannot treat, by performing that ritual,
you have to understand.
And now we also have so many.
Understand.
Now we have also so many monetaries. Sir, there are so many monetaries in both dharma and everything.
Thank you very much. Please, you both have a seat, all right. It was great, but guys, we have gone individual debate. It is a presentation. You are not persuading the audience. I have taught you fighting in the debate, but it's for the persuasion, right? Let me invite the next person. Excuse me.
Good morning, everyone. This is me, Swarnima, and today we are here to talk about something which is we are following all the day, practicing all the day. So some superstitious things we are practicing every day, but no one is talking about the reason behind that. I want to say something like every superstitious things, there is a reason behind that. I am also accepting this. So our duty is that is spreading a real awareness to the people. Why we are adding it like a fear? We are pushing that no, you have to believe on that, and we are pressurized all the citizens. No, you have to this, otherwise something is happening. Something will happen with you. Like if we are feeling itching in our palm, people are considering it as a sign of the getting money. This is real. This is real. So many people are believing on that. If they are feeling itching on their palm, they become very happy. Oh my God! Today I really get the money from somewhere. This is. Do you really think this is? Sir, it's our duty to spread a logical knowledge to the everyone. Now, why we are saying it as a stupid things? Why we are saying this? Tell everyone. Most of the people are don't know about the reason behind the sneezing. Don't know the reason. So it's our duty to spread a real knowledge to the people. And the one thing is, you want to say? Oh.
Superstitions, little rules we follow without knowing why. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. Sir, I thought I'll be having a debate defending the points, but she already agreed with superstition.
I'm not agree.
She is.
I'm not agree.
How will I do the debate? She's not putting the point. She's agreeing with me. It's only when
the reason behind the superstition.
It's only when we forget that reason and start to believe it as a blind faith. Superstition is superstition not because it's evil. It's because people have altered their reality to fit their agenda.
Superstitions arise because of the ignorance. We are ignoring all these things. That's why people are adding it as the
superstitions have survived for centuries. Not because people were dumb, because they were correct.
I also said the same thing, na sir.
She's agreeing with me. How am I supposed to have a debate here?
I give you a reason, but so people are adding it at the foolish things. It's our duty to spread the right knowledge.
How will you explain?
My point is that we are spreading to the right knowledge. Why we are adding it at the foolish things?
It is easy to follow. Like children will easily follow it if they are scared.
Easily follow. You just tell him the right things, na? Why we are adding a stupid things? I am not wrong, sir.
Children is not able to understand scientific reason. That's why we are not. We are saying that. Children do
as a matter of fact.
Yes.
Sorry. As a matter of fact, that she is saying that tell the reality, right? You're saying that behind every superstition, tell the reality.
That we are telling superstition. Okay, not reality, superstition. Follow the superstition. It's good. Why you need to hear the reality?
So every superstition has reality, na?
You already know a lot of reality.
She's
what you will do?
That, guys, come
what
on.
you will do knowing every reality?
Understand that. Please try to understand that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And finally, she has proven one superstitious thing that we are sneezing because of this reason. Likewise, every superstitious thing has a logic reason.
The same thing I said, na? I said just spreading a right knowledge. Why we are making?
To मेरी बहन, every superstition has logic reason. Some people don't know.
I know the reason.
So we all need. Public can't speak. Right.
Sir, I have more points, and I have the same thing. I have a reason.
So please, you should sit down here then. Yes. Out of fear. Think you both have a seat, please. Thank you so much.
Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is superstition is reliable or not. According to me, really this is a reliable. According to those people, reliable. According to those people, I'm share 2 points. Like black mole on the tongue. Everyone said that ki black mole on the tongue. Like I have a one black mole on the tongue. I am saying to all of you, you are die. So you are die. This is a
Mole on
the black mole on the tongue. Yeah. So I have one. My neighbor auntie. She have a one black mole on the tongue, and I am saying to my auntie ki please say that I am become like Ambani. Before 5 years and after 5 years, I am like a Sadaf. I am not becoming like Ambani. This is also superficial. And second point is anda cutting. Why we are not cutting anda for the rapist? In this era, every day. In this era, every day, rape increasing day by day. If in this way to right, so why we are not cutting the anda by the for the rapist?
You are saying that ki for the why we cannot cut the egg for the rapist?
Yes.
If we are cutting the egg, why? Just because if a person is have stolen something, for that person we can cut, but for the rapist we cannot cut. For the stolen something. Yes, for the rapist
girls and family, why their family not cut the anda by the, for the rapist? If I am cutting the anda, everyone say that if you know the person name, you cut the anda.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So who is raped? You know very well. You know about face structure.
Yeah. Everything.
Why you are not cutting? You know who is
if I know everything, who's a rapist, who's a person, so why we no need to cut. I know that I can catch him directly.
No sir, in 99% cases they are not justified because our constitution say that he is innocent. So why we are not doing the same thing?
If a girl have a mole on the tongue, it is a good and it will be accept that.
I am not say that it is a good or bad. I am saying that if it is a good, so why not happening the rapist?
You have mole on your tongue or not?
No.
You have no mole?
No.
Go to shopping mall. No, thank you so much. Please have a seat. All right.